Welcome back for another video. Today we got another awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store that I think is worthy of a download and worthy of being in your lineup. Now this one is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you download ASAP because I do not know how long this watch face is going to be free. With that being said, let's kick off this review. Now we reviewed this developer's work before and he gets down, so make sure you do not sleep on this guy. The name of the watch face is called Tizen 0311. I do like the look, I do like the sporty feel that this watch face brings to the table, and even in the always on mode, you're gonna get a nice look so far at your digital time and your analog, which means yes, you get the best of both worlds. I like the look of the analog hands as well as the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, but I'm liking the animation of the little man right here and the animation of the heartbeat. Really looks nice on this watch face. I do like the rustic look of the background as well. Really brings the watch face out. And down at the bottom, you are going to get your step information. Over it, you're going to get miles walked around, you're going to get your battery info and your date over here. So this is not a bad look for a sporty watch face, and yes, it is in the active, so you get a little map to let you know exactly where you can tap at to get the information you need so far as your shortcuts. So if you tap here, you'll be able to go in and tweak your watch however you see fit. If you tap up over it, it's going to take you into, of course, your step information, calories burned, heart rate, stress, water intake, coffee intake, and also if I tap here, you're going to be able to bring up Bixby, which I don't like, but if you like Bixby will be waiting on you, right? So if I tap here, I'll be able to go into my weather. Here, I'm going to be able to go into my music, so if I'm on my walk, I'm good. I tap here, I can set an alarm. So you got tons and tons of shortcuts with this watch face, which isn't bad at all. I like what this guy offers with this free watch face. So I'm thinking, yeah, this one is definitely worth the download. If I double tap in the middle, I can change the index, a couple of colors. Not bad at all, right? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, yes, this is hump day. I had to go in. I'll be off soon. So if time permits, I shoot one more out to you. Other than that, enjoy the day, have fun, subscribe to the channel, and hit the like button on the way out. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.